In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make thumbnails on Canva. If you're looking to create eye-catching thumbnails that can help boost your video views, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in and explore the steps to designing your own professional-looking thumbnails using Canva, a user-friendly online tool. First, head over to Canva's homepage. Canva is a versatile and accessible platform, perfect for all your digital design needs. Once you're there, you'll notice a variety of templates and design options right at your fingertips. But for now, our focus is on creating a YouTube thumbnail, so let's get started with that. Next, direct your attention to the upper menu of the Canva homepage. Here, you'll see a variety of categories. Go ahead and click on Social Media. This section is dedicated to crafting visuals tailored for various social media platforms, making it a breeze to find the right format for your project. Once you've clicked on social media, a new set of options will appear. Scroll through and look for YouTube. This is the section where you can find all sorts of templates optimized for YouTube, ranging from channel art to video thumbnails. Selecting YouTube narrows down your options to those specifically designed for the platform, ensuring that your final product is perfectly sized and formatted. After clicking on YouTube, the next step is to choose YouTube Thumbnail from the available options. This selection will open up a wide array of pre-designed templates that you can use as a starting point. These templates are created to grab attention, with bold text, vibrant images, and engaging layouts that can help your video stand out on a crowded platform. With your template selected, it's time to get creative. Customize the design to fit your video content and personal style. You can change the text, adjust the colors, and even upload your own images to make the thumbnail truly yours. Don't be afraid to experiment with different fonts and elements to see what works best for your brand. Remember, a good thumbnail should be visually compelling and convey the essence of your video at a glance. Use contrasting colors and clear text to ensure that your thumbnail is easily readable even at a smaller size. Once you're satisfied with your design, simply download the finished product and upload it to your YouTube video. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to create stunning YouTube thumbnails using Canva. With a bit of practice, you'll be able to design eye-catching visuals that not only attract viewers, but also reflect the tone and content of your videos. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!